We are collaborating with Sculpey, and we're going to show you step by step how to make these cute little mushrooms for your fairy gardens. Hi and welcome back. We're excited to be collaborating with Sculpey again, and we have a full year of polymer clay tutorials that are going to be popping up on our channel. And today we want to show you a closer look at Sculpey's brand new colors that were released just this month. So we have ivory, yellow ochre, pale blue, mint green, burnt orange, and forest green. So these are the new colors, and they're designed to go with the colors that you might already have. So these are great to add to your polymer clay stash. And for more inspiration and ideas on what you can use these colors for, you can find a ton of DIYs right on Sculpey's website. Okay, let's get right into this tutorial. For the first mushroom, I'll cut off a piece of the ivory to make the stem, and just roll it out with your hands. You don't want this to be totally perfect. Then kind of push down the stem, and this is going to give you a nice effect, especially at the bottom. One thing to note if you're working with lighter colors is that they're going to pick up everything from your surface. So for these mushrooms, I'm not really worried about that, but if you're making something like jewelry, you will want to make sure that your surface and hands are totally clean. Next, take some little bits and add them to the stems for more interest. And do that for each stem. Now for the tops of the mushrooms. Take a little piece and roll it out into the ball, and then just kind of squish it out from the center. Then, using a contrasting color, do the same thing and attach it with either a toothpick or fondant tools work really well for polymer clay crafts. And then just make the lines inside the mushroom cap. Now attach the stem and just go around gently molding the stem into the cap. And just be careful when handling your mushrooms. If you press too hard, you're going to get fingerprints, so just be gentle when picking them up. Now I'm just adding some little bits to the top, making sure that they're not in like a pattern. So I'm just putting them here and there. And while I'm doing this, we would really love to have you as a subscriber. Please subscribe and hit the bell to be notified of new videos. And I'll do the exact same thing to the next ones. For this one, I'm kind of blending the colors into each other a little bit more, and that's going to look really cool. And then roll some really tiny balls and add them to the top. Another way that you can add interest to the top of the mushroom is to take a color and then just put down some clay bits and then kind of press the mushroom cap onto them. And that's going to create a super easy mushroom top. Now bake these according to Sculpey's directions on their website. And they're done. And these turned out so great, you guys. They're perfect for our fairy garden. Thanks for watching, and we'll have more Sculpey polymer clay tutorials coming up soon. Have a great day, everyone.